Hey everyone! In this video, we're making a silver serum. It's packed with anti-aging benefits and boosts skin radiance and keeps your skin nourished. Plus, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and it's great even for acne-prone skin. Alright, let's get to the ingredients. To make 200 milliliters of the serum, we need 200 milliliters distilled water as water phase. Instead of distilled water, you can use herbal hydrosols. I'm using an equal mix of willow, rose, licorice, and fennel hydrosols, which help brighten, soothe, firm, and add a glow to the skin. 6 grams of sodium alginate. But if you prefer a lighter texture, you can use as little as 4 grams. 2.5 grams of glycerin, 2.4 grams of phenoxyethanol as a preservative, 2 grams of matrixol, 10 silver leaf sheets, each in a 2 to 2 centimeter, a spatula and a mortar and pestle. If you're making a large scale, you can use an electric mixer instead of a spatula. Okay, now let's get started on making the silver serum. First, mix the glycerin with the alginate powder until it forms a powdery gel texture. Then, slowly add the water phase little by little. At this point, you can let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes to an hour so the sodium alginate fully dissolves and turns into a smooth gel. But if you're making a bigger scale, like a kilo or more, you can use an electric mixer and continue mixing until you get a smooth, uniform gel texture. Next, grind the silver leaves in a mortar and pestle until you get a fine powder. If you prefer, you can use about 4 grams of silver leaf powder instead. Now, just add the silver powder to the serum mix and give it a good stir until it's smooth. Making sure the powder is spread evenly throughout the serum. You can also use an electric mixer if needed. Moving on, add the matrixyl and mix it well. Then add the phenoxyethanol and stir again. If you'd like, you can also add 3 to 5 drops of an essential oil at this stage, but I personally didn't use it. Finally, pour the serum into a suitable container. As you can see, the silver particles are visible in the serum, but once applied to the skin, they absorb completely